You gotta take a break. Caiden. Caiden. Give me chicken. See what's time for you. All better now. My hiccups are gone. I'm touching your toe. The grandma lotion you down. Oh, you sitting up. Okay.
There's also.
Okay, do you see yourself? That's how beautiful you are. Hi, Mimi, man. I'm gonna start walking. Yep. Caiden, smile. Selfie side. Uh-oh. She fake sleep me. You're supposed to be asleep for the night. Yes. I do. That's funny. Mimi. That crispy lining. We go watch it. I'm so clean. I smell so good. Yes, I. Oh, show them the feet. So flex, hit them with the. You can go back to being happy. You have something to say? You about to drop off the packages? Yeah. You liked it, yeah. Mimi know how to season. Yeah, Mimi know. Ooh, oh, wait, nope. All right, Caiden. Yes, it's there. It's like, oh, you cut on my table. Oh, Lord Jesus.
Good month. So we eat it.
Good job, Caiden. You made it. You made it because we having that sugar, but she was cutting up in the store. I'm about to bust my crap. Walking. Caiden, take your picture. You sleepy? Okay. Hi. Hi. Why you find out? You got a little something in your back room. Oh. Yeah. Food makes you happy.
You smile.
It's like, nope, I'm just running to the bathroom.
It's fine. I just.